Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I am going to be styling my tiny weenie afro hair. So if you watched my previous video, you know I did relax my hair, sort of like textilize, so it's not 100% natural, but it's still a little bit afro. So today I'm going to go ahead and do the styling. I'm going to do my first hairstyle ever since I cut my hair. So to slick my hair down, I'm going to be using this product, which is by Perfect Touch, and it's a gel wax. So it's like an edge control texture. So this is what I'm going to be using to do my hair. So I just came out of the shower. Even though my hair is already dry, because it's short, it dries quick. I did wash and condition my hair in the shower. So I'm starting with freshly washed and conditioned hair. So I'm going to try and do a side part first, where I'm going to pat my hair. I don't know if I should do it this side or this side. And then taking some of this gel wax, I'm going to start laying my hair from the parting here. And once that is done, I'm taking back my red tail comb to perfect my part. So now that my part is kind of like defined, I am going to go ahead and apply the gel wax on the rest of my hair, starting from the back, going to the top. So now that I'm done applying the product all over my hair, I am taking my hard brush and I'm going to further lay the hair. So next I am taking my Design Essential Foaming Wrap Lotion, and I'm going to apply this on top, not a lot. And the reason why I'm applying this is I don't want my hair to be like stuck on my head. So with the mousse on top is going to make it a little bit loose but still like sleek. So I'm applying this on top all over my hair. So this is just going to loosen up the gel wax. And once I'm done with that, I am going to wrap my hair using this Rapid styling strips. So I'm going to apply quite a few of this. So I'm starting from the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will come back once my hair is dry and show you guys the final results. So I am back with my hair all dry. It actually looks amazing. I am really loving this. So it's all like sleek and it's not too tight. That's why I use the mousse on top of the gel wax, because the mousse will make it move. Like my hair is not tight at all. So yeah, but everything is slicked down. I'm just gonna show you the back quickly. So the back, everything is laying except for like this area here. My hair is a little bit like curly, but no biggie. Everything looks great, and I will link down all the products that I used on this video in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle and any other hairstyles that you want me to create with my short hair. I'm like running out of ideas. I don't really know what else to do with this hair until it grows out. But if you do have a hairstyle in mind that you think it can work on my hair, please do let me know. I will also be doing my research, trying to find inspirations to bring more videos for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to enable your notification bell so you don't miss new videos from me, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.